guys, Take the YT here, and I got a lot of things from the recycling bins. So first of all, I'd like to say that some of these I got from the Best Buy bin, some from an Ikea battery recycling bin, and others from Target. So I'm just going to go in from like the best to the least. So first of all, we have this iPhone 5s. It's really cracked, but it works fine, but it does have someone else's iCloud on it. But the fingerprint scanner works fine, everything else works fine. And it's mint condition, and I actually haven't taken off the seal. This is like a back screen protector, and I just waited for the video to take this off with you guys. So let's just take this off. Wow, that sounds nice. It's like just like original, but yeah, it looks like this thing did used to have a case, like an OtterBox, because it has a little bit of fading there. But yeah, this overall does work fine. It just has an iCloud. But yeah, it's still usable. So I'm going to put this over to the side. The next thing we have is this super smashed iPhone 4s. You might think the LCD doesn't work, even though it does. I expected it to work, actually. These screens are so durable on iPhone 4s and 4s's, so I didn't even think it'd be broken, which it wasn't. And everything works fine. They have like tons of apps installed. It's on iOS 8.0.2, I think. I'll check. It's 16 gigabytes. I know that as well. You can see 16 gigabytes. It has 0 things of storage left, and it's on iOS 8.0.2. I also forgot to mention this iPhone 5s is actually on iOS 10.1.1, and it's 16 gigabytes right there. It's also unlocked because it's on Verizon. The next phone I have here is this iCloud locked iPhone 4s. It had a passcode, one of the only phones here with a passcode. And yeah, it's iCloud locked. I downgraded to iOS 6.1.3 just in case a bypass comes out for it. But yeah, it is iCloud locked. The next thing would be this iPod Nano 5th gen, I believe, which I'm actually going to be trading to someone. It works fine, but the battery is all messed up, and actually literally today it just started to expand the screen. You can see right there, so it's actually expanding. It wasn't before today though. It's the one with the camera, and I'm going to be trading with this to a friend who actually wants it. And then I have this iPod Touch 2nd gen, I believe. I think it might have died, but it was working fine. The only issue is that volume and power button just like spams out for some reason. It just like, oh, they're always being clicked. I can like plug it in if you guys want to see it working right here, and we just plug this in. You could see the dead battery logo, I think. I don't know. Yeah, there you go. This works too. It's almost mint condition besides the scratches on the back, and it had this case on it, so yeah. The next thing would be this iPod 4th gen, actually. iPod Classic 4th gen. Let me get the charger for this thing. This thing has a variety of issues, sort of. First of all, the hard drive doesn't work, because it says to go to Apple support. It goes on the Apple logo, then it says, you know, visit www.apple.com/support. But yeah, it's a 20 gigabyte model, and it's super scratched. That's the other issue, really. And it's also super scratched in the front, and as you can see, Apple support. And you can hear the hard drive clicking a little bit and vibrating if you actually have this in your hands. But yeah, I'll probably maybe fix that because that's kind of cool. The next thing I just took this by accident because I thought it was a smartphone from the back, but even though it wasn't, I took it anyways. And it's a Nokia E71X. I'm not sure if it works. I haven't tested it. Oh, it looks like it also has a stylus. A little port. It looks like a stylus port, but I don't really think that is. I think that's just a missing part. But yeah, it actually takes micro USB, so I could charge that right now, actually. I just need to find my charger real fast. Okay, I just plugged it in, and it hasn't done anything yet. I don't know, I guess I'll just keep it to the side for a bit. Then I got this LG NV2, I believe. It might be a 2, not quite sure. I don't know if it works either. It doesn't have a micro SD card, sadly. I'm not quite sure what port this thing takes. Oh, it takes like some older thing that I don't have. It looks... yeah, I don't have that. So, yeah, I don't have anything to charge this, but I think it would work. I don't see why it wouldn't. I don't think it has water damage. I could check that right now. No, it doesn't. It's fine. But yeah, it's an orange model, and it's neat. And then I found this super smashed Alcatel Raven in the Ikea bin, the only phone in the Ikea bin. And I could actually show you it somehow works. Look at this. It's water damaged and smashed. Somebody really didn't want anybody having this. But I'm going to take out the battery and I'll show you the water damage indicator. It was water damaged so much that it literally moved from here. It should have been like up here, but now it's like on the side. You can even see water in the display. I can like show you like right there. And then all the stuff around is water, unless that's water, I'm not quite sure. One of those things are water. But yeah, even the camera lens is cracked. Someone really didn't want this to work, but yeah, it works fine. It even like started playing alarms. The only issue is the LCD and the touchscreen don't work. It only shows white and the touchscreen doesn't do anything. But I actually might fix this. It's a I can actually buy this $20 new at a grocery store near me, but I just want to fix it because it's like such a trooper. It also runs Android Nougat, and this thing I don't think is doing anything. I have no doubts that this thing does work, but I don't know. I guess I'll leave it on the charger for a bit. This battery might be bad too, but yeah, I don't know. Yeah, so I got tons of things from the bin, so I'll just put out everything back so you can see basically what all I got. Got like so much good things. I don't usually get things from the bins anymore, so yeah, this is really it. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, hit the like button. If you guys want to see more content like this, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.